Tariffs. So the question that you see there now, it speaks about election approach to car rental companies to look for a specific car to rent for 3 days. He visited his brother Touch in Jeffers Bay. So what else are given here? This is the information below from the two rental companies for the same car and answer the questions that follow as we see on the table on the screen. Now, the table here we have is tariff from the car rental companies. Now, what we have company A and company B. Both of them, they have the same security deposit. Both of them, they have the same excess charges. So, we have the same charges, we have the same deposit amount, which is deposit amount is 18,650. So, if we have 18,650 rands, that is the deposit. And charges are, we are going to write them down. We have 17,000 rands for both companies. So, what else we are given here on this table? They say, that company A is based on this amount 2340,90 plus 3 multiplied by the number of kilometers subtracted by 600 kilometers. So, this is how they charge. They charge per kilometers. Now, company A has an unlimited mileage that is 3220,65. So, these are two different companies. Now, what else that they ask us here? Now, the first thing they ask us, they say, if election used company A and damaged the car after being involved in an accident, calculate the amount he would claim back from the security deposit. Meaning, if the car has been damaged, we are speaking about the charges. The charges covers any damages that falls upon the car that has been rented out. So, we know that election has deposited this certain amount right there, which is 18,650. Therefore, they take this 17,000 rands from his deposit to cover the damages. Meaning, you are going to have 18,650 subtracted by 17,000 rands, meaning that now you are having 1,650 rands. This is the one claim that election will be left with on this one. So, we are going to continue with this question on tariffs when we come after the break, and we are going to expand on it. I will see you after this one.
Volkswagen.
Welcome back, guys, on our session on tariffs trade number 12. So, we know that now we are having here on this question that they asked us about election. Election traveled 950 kilometers, that's what they say. Okay, we know that election, this is how much he traveled, 950 km. So, he traveled that much. Then what is the question based on? They said for 3 days. He did this for 3 days. Okay? These are our events, so we are working with our events. Therefore, what does it say? He hired the car. He stated that it would have been cheaper if he used company B instead of company A. Verify his statement. So we are going to verify his statement based on company B, we know that company B is 322.0,65. So we know that is company B. But company B, we are given an equation to calculate kilometers, and we determine the charges involved. Now, we know that he traveled 950 kilometers, therefore we take where they said we should know company A, company A is having 2,340,90 plus 3 multiplied by n minus 600, that is km, kilometers traveled. Now, we know that n is the number of kilometers traveled. In this case, he traveled 950 kilometers. Therefore, the 950 you subtract it from the 600. Now, let's see how much charges involved when he traveled 950 kilometers, and punching all the information that has been given there, which is 2340,90 plus 3 multiplied in bracket 950 subtracted by 600, close the bracket. We should be having 3,390,9. So we are comparing these two, 3,220 and 3,390, and we therefore say that election's claim is valid. So that's all for me, Mr. M. Have a wonderful day and a great evening. God bless you. Bye-bye.